All right. So with that in mind, we are open to questions. I can see the first hand went up. However, the second one as well, the third one as well, and so on and so forth. I know. However, I would like to, definitely favor the gentleman who honored our request to hold his question in the first place, to please stand and pose his question. Ladies and gentlemen, our first friend for question. Please go ahead.
हेलो। हम लोग देखते हैं स्नैपडील है, हेल्दी है, जोमेटो है, स्विगी है, सब लोग व्हाट दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग?
था कि उन्होंने जो पहला स्टार्टअप शुरू किया दैट वाज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, तो डेट एम्प्लॉयड समबडी, बट राइट नाउ व्हाट इज ट्रेंड? देयर आर फिनटेक्स, दोज दे आर गिविंग लोन्स, चाइनीज कंपनीज आर गिविंग लोन्स। कभी अपना गुजरात की पूरी पॉपुलेशन 7-8 करोड़ से है, उसमें से 50% पॉपुलेशन गांव में है। कोई ऐसा सोचे कि एक ऐसी ऐप बनाए कि जब बियाड़न का टाइम हो तो वो किसान ऐप से करे और उसको नेक्स्ट डे बीज की डिलीवरी मिल जाए। कैन वी थिंक ऑफ दैट? हम लोग इधर बैठ के क्या कर रहे हैं कि आपने सबने बताया, सबने अपने शेयर किया, अच्छे आइडिया, somebody will jump onto that, लेकिन ट्रेंड क्या रहेगा? दे विल गो टू आईटी ओनली। IT means some jugglery and some delivery.
So my friend, if I just have to sum up, I definitely understand your concern and feelings. Probably the question is that why people are only venturing into core IT and not other businesses. Is my understanding correct?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So please, over to you, whosoever dignitary would like to address that. Sahu sir, especially, it has been asked to you, so you may please.
It's right. I think why people are going to IT and services sector more. It is because your returns are visible very fast.
हो गया.
Returns are visible very fast. The young mind, before he matures for the CSR and all that, they think that return is their priority. But of late, you will find in the product mix, now almost 60% is on the technology-based startups. 35 to 40% are going for the rural area penetration and also manufacturing. Manufacturing is a long-drawn exercise. You will not see any visible result in 2-3 years. But if you take a medium-term horizon, definitely your arithmetic will work well, and people are going for that, and that will give good jobs. And Abhi, for example, I'll tell you, the Bharat Next, the fund which was started by Suzuki only 10 days back, their focus is not mainly technology or fintech areas, maybe 10-15% or so. Their focus is more on rural. Rural initiatives, if it is coming, then you fund them or you help them so that they become good entrepreneurs. That is the present trend. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
For 40. In rural area, Ministry of Rural Development Department have come up with the project that is known as Drone Didi.
Yes.
Okay. So what these Didis? These are the self-help groups of a rural woman who will have a training टू फ्लाई दैट ड्रोन, जो भी ड्रोन यूज उड़ता है सारे इवेंट्स में, और उससे क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग, खेती का जो जमीन है, दे आर मेजरिंग इट, नंबर वन, व्हेनेवर द पेस्टिसाइड्स हैज टू बी डन, तो पहले लोग ट्रेडिशन पे वो स्प्रे करते थे, नाउ दे आर फिलिंग दिस ड्रोन विद दिस पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, and finally they are converting their livelihood in terms of rupees. So this project is undergone Gujarat Livelihood Promotion Company, that is in Udyog Bhavan, block number 18, third floor is there, and implementing agency for this. Thank you.
Super, thank you. So, I do see the raise of hands, and we would like to conduct this session as Q&A and not a discussion session, with all due respect to each and every one of us. What we are going to do is, we are going to take, I could see 3 hands raised, so we are going to take these 3 questions, and from them we will be breaking for the lunch. Okay? So, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, question. I have a question. So, majorly we see that the startup crowd is high, and major area of concern would be the finance, okay, finance crunch. So, do we have some, public fund which is an economic fraud? Could be Modi, Malia, could be flood into the genuine supporting to the entrepreneurs. Can we have some, suggestions or to government, okay? Because a lot of startups are getting fail at the finance crunch, while bees are going out, okay, with this.
Let me tell you, there is an audience here who is also interacting in some panel discussion later on. I have learned lot of things about startups from him. He is Mr. Mihir Joshi, and he will be able to, he is the managing director of Gujarat Venture Finance, and he will be able to tell you, having a separate manner, one-to-one or something, pick up some ideas and see that how they can help in that direction. There are mechanisms which can help these startups really, because in the beginning they face a lot of issues. I have faced myself, so I understand that. Thank you.
Yeah. And before we get to the next question, I just would like to mention out here that this is the first Q&A round, and we have planned multiple of them as well. Yeah. So yes, my friend.
Hello sir, my name is Nilesh, and my question is to Mr. Shashikant Chaudhary sir. Sir, I found some couple of problems in the education system, and then I solved it, and then I started school management system services. And then, I just tried to approach those schools that are not running well and something. But मेरे साथ problem क्या होता है पता है, when I just work on that schools and having some collaboration with the schools, and होता क्या है कि if there is no knowledge, there is knowledge everything. So when I start working on the school, क्या होता है कि schools के जो owner है ना, जब मैं schools 0-10 पे चल रहा है, मैं उनको ले लेता हूँ, उन पे 1 to 3 years में work करता हूँ, उसके बाद उनको confidence आ जाता है कि अब हम चला लेंगे, and they start cheating, and my competitors are having a good a great crores and millions rupees they are having. So how to find with and then when they are just going left, वो चले जाते हैं ना, उसके बाद मेरे को again दूसरा 2-3-4 स्कूल लेना होता है, 2-3-4 years काम करना होता है. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है? जो बड़े लोग हैं, चिरीपरा ग्रुप हो गया या शांति जूनियर, वो सारे लोग, तो they are having millions rupees and having a good brand image or something, but I am not having. So what should I do that I cannot be in that position? Thank you.
Interesting question, and this happens with a lot of startups. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके साथ हो रहा है. This happens with a lot of startups. So first point first, the product in the startup is only 1/6 or 1/7 of the journey, right? The product is not the business. Product के साथ में जो आप business करोगे, so the competitive age on the product in this age of technology is not more than 3 to 6 months. तो आपको अगर business को competitive बनाना है, तो you have to approach towards the business model. The business model is going to create that competitive mode in terms of differentiating yourself from the competition. That's number 2. Number 3, Again, we talk about what is the business model, the people will talk about. The business model is your own unique style of playing, right? अभी जैसा हम लोग मेडिकल डिलीवरी में बात करते हैं, देयर आर पीपल फ्रॉम टाटा 1mg से लेके देयर आर ऑल दोस पीपल हु आर डूइंग द नेशनल लेवल डिलीवरी भी कर रहे हैं, लोकल भी कर रहे हैं, लोकल वाले भी अहमदाबाद में मिल जाएंगे आपको. हर एक जन आप अपने तरीके से खेल रहा है, बट हर एक का अपना एक तरीका है. Somebody might say that my value proposition is I will give you cheapest. Somebody might say I will give you fastest. Somebody will say that I am the best person or the medical delivery person to manage the lifestyle लाइफ क्रिटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. फॉर एग्जांपल हार्ट के और किडनी के रिलेटेड, डायलिसिस रिलेटेड उसकी जो दवाई लॉन्ग टर्म है, वही मैं स्पेशलिस्ट हूँ. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज दैट योर यूनिक प्ले इन द होल, नॉट अ 10% और 20% डिफ्रेंसिएशन, क्योंकि 10 और 20% डिफ्रेंसिएशन में पीपल विल कैच अप, पीपल विल से अरे ये तो हम भी कर लेंगे, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम डूइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हैप्पी ईटर्स एंड बेबी वर्स विच इज माई 10 कंपनी राइट नाउ, राइट. ना मैं तो 2 साल लगा चुका हूँ, मगर ये प्रोडक्ट को अगर ये 4 लड़के भी स्मार्ट लड़के देख लिया पूरा प्रोडक्ट, तो 4 महीने में बना लेंगे, बिकॉज स्क्रीन्स तो मालूम है, इनपुट कैसे चल रहा है सभी मालूम है. सो प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू क्रिएट द डिफरेंशिएशन, इट इज व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ द मॉडल यू आर ट्राइंग टू प्ले एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन यू आर ट्राइंग टू गिव टू द पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इनिशियल डे में, स्टार्टअप में, it's very, very important, very, very important. You don't have to be 10%, 20%, 30% better than the market. It doesn't work. You have to be 300% better than market. और वो 300% better आप मार्केट में तभी हो सकते हो जब आप एक डिफरेंशिएटेड एक ही एरिया में, and that's what the Steve Jobs or Paul Graham they say, you do only 1 or 2 things, but do it 10 times better than your competition. And that creates the wedge in terms of the stickiness into your product. And then you build a moat around it through the business model. तो आपको एक चीज तो ऐसी ढूंढना पड़ेगा जो मार्केट से 10 times better है. If you are giving 10-20 features but they are almost similar like to anybody, then it's not going to fly. Sometime you will always fail in this particular cycle. Repeat होती जाएगी cycle आपकी 3 साल की, unless you find that one player, right, one point for which you are very strong. क्या होता है फिर मार्केट में कि एक एरिया में अगर आप स्ट्रांग बन गए पूरा का पूरा, देन मार्केट भी आपको वो एरिया से देखना, आइडेंटिफाई करना चालू कर देता है कि एलएमएस में दिस पर्सन इज वेरी स्ट्रांग, दैट यू नो द काइंड ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी विच हैज बॉट इज एक्सट्रीमली स्ट्रांग. तो वो अपनी इकोसिस्टम में आपको भी इंटीग्रेट कर लेगा पूरा का पूरा. सो व्हाट हैपन्स इज मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अराउंड दैट पॉइंट, द इकोसिस्टम प्लेयर्स आपको पोजिशन भी कर लेते कि ये बंदा ये एरिया में सबसे स्ट्रांग है. तो वो जब स्केल करेगा 200, 300, 400, उसमें आपका सॉल्यूशन उसके साथ में आप सेल कर पाओगे. सीधा 100, 200, 300 एक स्कूल जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. दैट इज द अप्रोच पॉसिबल.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, so we have our friend patiently waiting at the end. Can we have his question?
mic.
थोड़ा नजदीक रखो.
Hello. Yeah. Two. So my question to Satish is the risk appetite, how much it should be. Assuming I have a 1 CR, should I be ready to burn that whole money? And ऐसा बोलते हैं कि स्टार्टअप दे a lot of money. So वो मनी खुद का होना चाहिए या किसी और का?
थोड़ा अभी लाइटर बोलने चल रहा है तो बराबर है, बिल्कुल चलना पड़ेगा. बट देयर आर 2 बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ द बिजनेस, राइट? एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम योर बिजनेस हैज टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल. दैट्स रूल नंबर 1. रूल नंबर 2 इज डोंट फॉरगेट द रूल नंबर 1. सेकंड पॉइंट, आपके क्वेश्चन के अनुसार, if you cannot make money with your own money, you cannot make money with somebody else's money. So now coming to the answer, actual answer. आपके पास 1 करोड़ है, right? Now how much you should risk? Now, the point is, you have to be preparing your journey for at least 18 months. 18 month का जो भी आपका बर्न चल रहा है, सपोज 5 लाख के हिसाब से चल रहा है. एग्जाम्पल के लिए कि 2 डेवलपर लगा लिए, एक QA लगा दिया, जो भी आपका बिजनेस है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग IT बिजनेस और स्टार्टअप, बट एक 5 लोग का टीम है, तो वहाँ 5 लाख बंद कर रहे हो, मार्केटिंग वगैरह सब पकड़ के. शुरुआत में तो कम बंद कर रहे हो क्योंकि इनिशियली प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट वगैरह चलेगा, बट 18 महीने का खर्चा ऐसा पकड़ लो, 18 into 5 is 90, so it's a 1 crore kind of expense. Now, should you put 1 crore of your own? No, right? What should be the approach? The approach should be how the cycle goes. The cycle will go like this. The cycle will go, initially you will put some amount of money which is 10% of your own money. तो आप आपका पैसा लगाओगे. That is your own money, 10 lakhs. That is your own investment. Because now you are showing your skin in the game, right? Then the next set of the people who are going to invest in your company, you have to very quickly reach out to them, is the 3 Fs. Friend, family and fools. बराबर. उनको आपके धंधे से कोई मतलब नहीं है. They just believe in you. They just believe कि ये this is the person I know for last 15-20 years, ये कुछ तो बड़ा करेगा. तो आपके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, फैमिली वाले तो वैसे भी रहते हैं, और कुछ फुल्स होते हैं. तो so raise around like 15 to 20 lakhs from them. 5 लाख का पूरा गेम करके. Now you have got out of that 1 crore, you are already secured for your own 10. उसके बाद में ये 20 लाख लिए, 30 लाख का आपका हो गया. Now within this 30 lakhs, what one needs to do? One needs to, create a prototype से लेके MVP तक लेके आओ, minimum viable product तक journey लेके आओ, right? With this minimum viable product जो आपका बना हुआ है, it is not a full-fledged version. It is like a absolutely, there are a lot of debates on what MVP should look like, but it is a kind of not a horizontal slice of the product. It is like a slice like this. So it should have UI UX से लेके features तक, but minimum set. But it should solve a burning pain वाला problem होना चाहिए. मैं एग्जाम्पल भी कभी भी देता हूँ कि बर्निंग पेन अगर हुआ तो नॉन परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो कैन वर्क बिकॉज ही जस्ट वांट्स द प्रोडक्ट. तो वो भले वो सोल्यूशन परफेक्ट ना हो आपका, बट पेन उसका इतना ज़बरदस्त है कि वो प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ करेगा, वो आपने आइडेंटिफाई करा है. मैं नॉर्मल में भी वक्त भी बात करता हूँ कि आई हैव गॉट दिस हैंडसेट इन माई हैंड राइट नाउ, और एक मच्छर है मुझे आके काट रहा है, बार बार आके काट रहा है, एंड आई हैव दिस नाउ दिस इज द सिचुएशन एट दिस पॉइंट. काट रहा है, पेन हो रहा है, एंड नाउ दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. व्हाट आई विल डू? I will use this phone like this. This is not a perfect solution for the pain, right? But in proper solution for a burning pain, people will buy. So now at the MVP stage, moment you get to that, sell it to some customers. Sell it to some customer, tell them that this is the product, I'm giving you cheapest, don't worry about making the money at that particular point of time. In terms of profitability, first make sure that there is a problem solution fit. So the problem you are talking about, whether the people feel the problem in the way you feel it, whether they feel it, and people want to solve the problem the way they want to solve it, not the way you want to solve it. Moment that is a problem solution fit, that's the point, go to the angels. And that angels then will put around like 40 to 50 lakh rupees. After that MVP and the angels with you, at moment you start creating little bit of the revenues, and there is a trajectories that your levers are working on a small scale. Levers are working. आपका sales थोड़ा work कर रहा है, marketing थोड़ा work कर रहा है, आपका the customer engagement थोड़ा work कर रहा है, customer acquisition cost control में आ रही, all those things, and with that you are now ready to raise 1.5 to 2 crores. तो पहले 50, 30, 10, 80 का, और आपका खर्चा कितना था? 90 का. तो आप 10 से चालू करो, with these three Fs, get 20, with the angels, get 50 to 60, you are covered for 18 months. And by that time, not wait for 18 months, 12वें महीने में चालू करो, approaching the seed funds, and they will be able to fund you like 1.5 to 2 crores. So that's the way we would approach it.
Super. So I do understand there are questions. I do understand that you all are eager to know, but let me promise you that we are gonna have multiple Q&A sessions, and at that point in time also you can have your questions posed. However, it's time for a due break. It's 1 o'clock in my watch, and with all of your support, we would like to resume around 1:30. Would that be a good idea? Yep. Thank you. Thank you very much.